Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be continuing our look at the contents of my Nova Aetas Wave 2 Kickstarter box with another one of the small boxes. This time it's one of the minis, the Architect. So here we are with the Architect, and that's, in fact, let's just open the box. Get the cellophane off so you can see it clearly instead of having all this blur on it from the light. So there we are, that's the Architect. And what do we have in the box? It says we have one Architect miniature, 2 hero sheets, 2 construct cards, 18 skill cards, 7 equipment cards, 7 artifact cards, 3 barricade 3D elements and various tokens. Let's open up and have a look at what they mean. So I'll have a look at the mini in a moment. That's always the last thing I like to look at, the mini. So here we go. What do we have? Well, here we have the 3D aspects. So if we just punch those out, punch that out, what we'll have is a little 3D barricade kind of efforty bob. Let's get it up and running just like so. There we are, a little 3D barricade which just stands up like so. There we are. I'm mixing it. I like this, I really do. So we'll pop them out, and we have 3 of those. We have a few other things as well. I can't actually read out what it is. Hope you can. Scrap Meccano. Oh, Meccano and Scrap Meccano. Okay. And we have these tokens here with the token for the Architect, this little token, whatever it may be, and these 2 tokens which look like they're like a covered hole, and on the other side it's actually a pit with a ladder leading down. Nice. Next we have these big cards. We'll have a look at these first of all. And what do we have? Well, we have the Meccano, which is a construct. And as you can see, it's an iron whirlwind. And we have a Scrap Meccano, which is a scrappy axe, which is like a wheeled chopper, shall we say. There we are. 2 very nice constructs the Architect has made. We'll put them to one side. Let's have a look at the little rule sheet for it. First off, we have a list of the box contents. So we have 2 hero sheets for the 3 classes. We have the miniature and activation token, 7 equipment cards, 7 artifact cards, 6 architect skill cards, 3 barricade tokens, 2 secret passage tokens, a battle focus token, which is that blue one, which I didn't know what it was, 6 engineer skill cards, 6 antiquarian mystic skill cards, the tokens for the construct and the construct themselves, or construct cards themselves. Okay, so let's pop that to one side and take out these little cards to have a look at what they are. I'm not going through them all. We'll just have a quick nosy through some of them. I know there's not all that many in each one, but these are the artifacts. In fact, no, there's only 7 of each, so let's have a look. Alexander's viewfinder, Caesar's Aquila, the Compass of Colombo, Dante's pen, Longinus spear, Quetzalcoatl medal, and Nefertiti's scarab. And that's that bit. And then we have I can't remember what we had now. Should have left the Ujit out, but never mind. We have these ones. Again, more artifacts and weapons and stuff like that. So we have a light ritual, a measurement tool, a pistol blade, replicator, a leather suit, and a toolbox. And then finally we have these ones. And we have ancient knowledge, searching for artifacts, double strike, piercing strike, smoke in your eyes, treasure hunter, barricade, focus, precision bullets, quick reload, secret passage, stirs, metal armor, improved connection, self-destruction, flamethrower, scrapped, and sharpen the blade. I don't know what they do, but I don't want to start having a look to explain them, because I don't want to spoil it for anybody who's just getting into it and, like me, hasn't played it properly to understand the rules. So the cards, the instructions, all the tokens. Now let's have a look at the architect himself. Okay, so here he is. His books in one hand, going in the other, looking almost what's the word I was looking for? I can't think what I was going to say something about it and I can't remember. Looking almost something other, but it's gone. Hate it when my brain does that to me. But yeah, there's the architect. So that's all we have for this video. Not quite, because I forgot we have these cards. Yes, we have the ones for the levels. So we have an engineer, we have antiquarian, and we have architect. That's it. So that's the 3 levels of his progression: engineer, antiquarian, and architect. I'd forgot about these. Oh, I noticed them. I was going to put the tokens back. They were still in the box. So yeah, that's it. Finally for this, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.